Hi, John again from Artistry and Glass with an exciting update on our efforts to run a green, environmentally responsible company. Now, we believe that every individual and every corporation can play a small part in fighting climate change by reducing emissions. Now, if you enjoy this video, please click the buttons below to subscribe to my channel. The greening of Artistry and Glass really began in earnest when our former building, our home for more than 20 years, was demolished as part of Tucson's Grant Road widening program. Our decrepit edifice quickly became an ex-building, a formerly existing building, under the remorseless power of the wrecking excavator, with jaws ripping through the defenseless walls like a giant mechanical T-Rex. Now the saying goes that if life presents you with lemons, the best course of action is to make lemonade. Well, thanks to the City of Tucson, we were able to purchase a new building at 2618 East Fort Laurel Road, and with the assistance of architect Joseph Maher Jr., we commenced a comprehensive program of energy efficiency refurbishment. We started by furring out the interior walls with 2x4s and installing Owens Corning EcoTouch fiberglass to add an R13 insulation value to the walls. Next, we turned to our large showroom windows and invested in dual-pane low-E insulated glass, which we installed on the inside of the existing 1/4-inch clear plate glass for an R value of around 5. In the further pursuit of insulation and security, we sacrifice our historic Mexican wood doors, finding them a good home courtesy of Craigslist in a picturesque walled garden in the Tucson foothills. In their place, we install a fire-rated self-closing steel door with a foam core for extra insulation value. In electrical upgrading, all of our old incandescent and fluorescent fixtures were replaced by energy-efficient LED lighting. Even our state-of-the-art display cases are illuminated by affordable LED strip lights. To improve our HVAC efficiency, we scrapped the old swamp cooler and installed a new mini-split system that has a SEER rating of 23, operates silently, is very easily calibrated from 6 independent registers, and works without expensive and hard-to-clean ductwork. Our final major building improvement was a roof-mounted solar panel system that provides 40 kilowatt-hours of electricity on a typical day, enough power to run the AC during the brutally hot Tucson summer. One of our specialties since 1986 has been the design of awards, and we have developed a unique line of recycled green awards that are manufactured from thick plate glass that would otherwise wind up in the Los Reales landfill. Green glass awards are all handmade by us in our Tucson workshop, using methods that, interestingly enough, duplicate the age-old Paleolithic technique of flint knapping, practiced by our long-distance Stone Age ancestors. These awards can be made in any shape or size, and they are very attractive and affordable. You also get the benefit of knowing that you are helping to save the environment. Conservation techniques in engraving include the custom etching of wine and liquor bottles for special awards and unique gifts. These funky green toasting flutes are another interesting example of recycling. The original wine bottles were used by the bride's parents at their own wedding 40 years ago. We skillfully cut and polished the antique bottles to create a unique souvenir for a 21st century wedding toast. Our green manufacturing credentials are not limited to glass awards. Utilization of 21st century computer-aided designs means that our stained and etched glass services are now almost entirely paper-free. Drawings can be easily and inexpensively sent by email for customer approval, not only saving paper, but also saving traveling time and CO2 emissions. We are now also proactively green when packing our fragile products for safe shipping or customer pickup. we have discontinued the use of plastic peanuts in favor of our own office-generated shredded paper. We have ditched plastic bubble wrap and switched to an excellent product called Pull It, Wrap It, Pack It. This perforated biodegradable paper expands when stretched, so that a 300-foot long roll ships in a conveniently compact package, much cheaper to transport than bulky rolls of bubble wrap. Finally, our core service since 1986 has been the repair of damaged antiques and collectibles, and there is no more salient example of conservation than saving a chipped crystal wine glass from being dumped into the garbage. Waterford, Baccarat, Lalique and other crystal glasses retail for hundreds of dollars, and small chips in the rims can be carefully polished down to make them as good as new. Our highly appreciated repair efforts restore treasured family heirlooms, preserve memories, and help save the planet. In conclusion, we have shown that going green makes practical and economic sense, in addition to placing us on the moral high ground in the current fight to save the planet from the devastating effects of climate change. Artistry in Glass encourages everyone to play their part. Artistry in Glass, part of the Tucson community since 1986.